Hi friends, it's me Suraj Dev. Today we are discussing about how to create web applications in Flutter. So, follow the screen. Here we have a 6-step to create web applications in Flutter. The first step is create or switch this channel to beta versions, means Flutter channel beta. Then we can run by take window PowerShell or terminal and try to run Flutter channel beta and press enter. Here we can see a message is showing a new version of Flutter is available. Means I am using with an outdated Flutter version. So we can run the Flutter upgrade after this switching to Flutter channel beta. So here we can see git branch beta set up to track remote branch beta from origin. Means we are already used with the channel as origin, but we are currently switched to beta versions for using Flutter web applications, or we need to create web applications, we need to switch to beta versions currently. Means maybe after the some updates it's maybe switched to we can access it on origin itself. Means I think it's so then we need to upgrade the Flutter version. So just type Flutter upgrade, then we can see it's downloading the latest versions. Where we can see the download is completed and it's unzipping the .sdk, and also it's building now with Flutter tools and pub upgrade, means it's upgrading the SDK package. So waiting for upgrading completion, and then we need to run this command after the completion of this process. So wait for that. Yeah, it's completed now. Then we can see Flutter is already up to date on the channel beta, and Flutter 1.90.0.4.3 pre channel beta from the URL and engine revisions and as tools.2.9.0, and then we can copy the command like flutter config enable web. These commands enable the web developments in Flutter. So just paste or type the flutter config -enable web and just run. Yeah, here we can see setting enable web value to true, means it's setting the value to true for web developments. Means we can use the Flutter package to use web applications, or we can build the web application using this Flutter. So there is a message another, you may need to restart any open editor for them to read new settings. Means if you want to use this for enabling web applications, then we need to restart the window PowerShells or the editor to get the access or get the updated the versions of the enabled web. So then we can see, then we can restart the PowerShell, and we can check the devices. Means on enabling devices we get to Chrome device 2, so we can check the devices. Then it's Flutter devices, it's load the downloading the Chrome web tool for running the or building the web applications. We can see downloading package Sky Engine Flutter patched SDK tool. Yes, the latest devices are downloaded now. Here we can see downloading the Flutter Patch SDK tools, Flutter Patch SDK product tool, Windows 64 tools, Windows 64 font web subset tools, and we can do two connected devices like web server and Chrome. Means web servers and Chrome, web JavaScript and Flutter tools, and Google Chrome 83.0.4103.116. Means we can get the Chrome devices to use the running of Flutter applications. Also we need this device for running the applications. So the next step is Flutter create Flutter web. So this is the root, means the user platform or user directory. So they just need to close this one and take the folder we want to create the web applications, and shift right click, and then we can open the PowerShell on that folder. Then we just need to run the command Flutter create the application's name. We can change the application name with any other names. I just use with the Flutter web itself. So copy and paste and enter. Then it's creating the applications Flutter web, and it's all done now. Here all done. Flutter and Android toolchain, Chrome and Android Studio VS Code connected device is fully installed, two available. And the next step is redirect the or point the folder terminal to folder. So cd Flutter web. Then we need to run the applications. For this, just closing this one, and I just open the Flutter web or created applications in VS Code, and we can open the terminal too, and then we need to run the applications in Chrome. So just run Flutter run -d Chrome. Means the Flutter -d means devices. Here we just mention the devices now, and copy and paste on and run. And in the VS Code we can see the Chrome device is already connected and it's downloading the web SDK. Here we can see a web tab with the localhost 59185 is open, and we get the applications with the Flutter demo homepage and plus icon, and it's a default template in the Flutter. So we can see the plus, and also all the functions are running, and it's a web page. And also we can close this one, then it's ended, and we can change the devices too. Means we can run the applications in Android as well as web applications. So we can run these applications in web by using Chrome or web server, and we can see the folders or the folder structure. Here we can see the Android, iOS and web folders are generated on the creation of applications. So we can see there is an index file, manifest.json file, and icons, fav icons, etc. are there, and the other files are generated on the building time on the build folder. So the next is we need to run the build or generate the build in Flutter. So just copy the command and paste it on and enter, and we can see compiling lib main dot for the web, means it's generating the build versions for web applications. Here we can see the compile is completed and the build process is completed now. So we can see the build folder. There is a two folder, Flutter assets and web. So we can open the folder web, then we can see the in index folder and a JS file with assets and icons. So we can just open the Flutter service worker web folder, then we can see a JS file and it's for running the applications. So just we need to copy these files and put it on host or any local host, any other some where we want to run the applications or where we want to deploy the web application. So just we first we just copy the folder into WAM folder here, and we just paste it on the web folder, and we can check with localhost bar web. Then we can see the Flutter web application is running now, and with the Flutter demo page, and we can increment the value by click on the plus button. So the process is completed. We are run successfully create and build the Flutter web applications. By this way, we can create and build web applications in Flutter. So, if you like this video, please like and share to your friends. Please subscribe for more videos. Turn on bell button for notifications. Thank you.